Look at me. Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
Drinking while driving? And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic
No es muy
with people
simpático.
who are in immigration custody. Do you understand? You will be stuck like Chuck in custody. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or
Yo
not.
no sé si lo
And
es.
quite frankly, I don't care.
Francamente.
Are you Arnaldo Bernabe Larios? You were charged with driving while intoxicated.
This is the quiet moment people miss. On paper, it looks like relief. No immediate jail, time to get a lawyer. But in reality, this is probation without the label. One wrong move, one drive to work, one drink at a party, and everything collapses at once. Bond revoked, contempt charges stacked, and immigration detention waiting in the wings. So here's the real question. Are these warnings a fair last chance or a setup where failure is almost inevitable?
Facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On October 31st, 2024, officers were dispatched at 2:46 a.m. to report to the motor vehicle sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas.
No, just a tad.
Yes,
Please.
of course.
Order in the court.
The vehicle was sitting in the intersection
estacionado en
of
la
a public
intersección de
roadway
la carretera, en la calle pública,
in Harris County,
cerca de
Texas,
Harris County,
with the
Texas,
driver
cuando el
asleep at the
chofer ahí
wheel.
dormido en el volante.
Upon
Al arriba,
arrival,
los policías,
officers located
ellos,
defendant's motor vehicle
encontraron el
and
vehículo,
observed defendant to be the
y lo
sole
vieron que era el
occupant
único
of the
que estaba
vehicle.
en el vehículo.
Upon
Cuando
contact with the
hicieron contacto
defendant,
con el acusado,
officers
los
observed
oficiales
red,
vieron
glossy
que tenía
eyes,
sus ojos brillosos,
slurred speech,
la
and an
comida para
odor of
hablar, y un olor
alcoholic
de alcohol
beverage emitting from the
que provenía
defendant's person,
de su persona.
along with poor
Cuando
balance.
también no se podía balancear.
The defendant
El
admitted to
acusado
drinking,
admitió de que
and
había
an
tomado,
inventory
y
of the
cuando hicieron el
vehicle
inventario del vehículo,
yielded several
vieron de
open,
que
cold to the
varios
touch beer cans,
Drinking while driving?
siendo y tomando,
most of which were mostly
cuando
empty.
la mayor parte estaban vacíos.
SFSTs were conducted,
KFST se hicieron
6 out of 6
6 de 6 de
HGN,
la HGN,
plus vertical gaze
también
with
en el
nystagmus,
estagno vertical,
and 3 out of 4 one-leg stand.
3 de 4 de pararse en una sola pierna.
The defendant failed to perform the walk and turn
No pudo
because he
hacer
failed to
caminar y
follow
voltear porque no
instructions.
siguió las instrucciones.
DICs were read but
Entonces, se le
refused,
leyó,
and a
se
warrant was
negó.
signed and
Entonces, se
executed.
firmó una
He
orden y
has
se
no driver's license,
hizo.
judge, and no
No tenía
prior criminal
licencia ni
history.
tampoco tenía ningún antecedentes.
I would hope that you recognize it's elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you are driving, Mr. Tayun.
Señor Tayun,
Do you have a Texas driver's license? Look at me.
míreme, no,
Not
a usted
allowed
no
to
se le
drive.
permite conducir.
What is your immigration status? Are you a United States citizen?
¿Es ciudadano americano?
No.
No,
Are you in this country with or without permission?
without.
What happens if you go to jail?
I don't know, I believe that return me to my country.
Right.
Cierto.
You will sit
Usted
in jail
en la cárcel,
waiting for this case to be over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration.
lo mandan con
But you will sit in immigration custody for about 6 to 9 months, waiting for immigration to do whatever they're going to do. And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic
no es muy
with people
simpático.
who are in immigration custody. Do you understand?
¿Entiende? Yes, sir.
I'm putting conditions on you
Las condiciones,
and your bond. And if you violate it in any way, then you will go to jail.
Legally speaking, this is the danger zone. No license, alcohol in the car, failed field sobriety tests. That's already bad. But pair that with undocumented status, and suddenly bond conditions aren't about trust anymore. They're about control. Judges tighten the leash not because they want to be harsh, but because one violation can mean losing jurisdiction entirely to immigration authorities. This is the system trying to stop the bleeding before it spirals.
You got out as quick as you did is because we gave you a free bond. It will not happen again. You violate conditions. More importantly, if you drive, because I'm ordering you not to, then I'm going to make your bond extremely high. This is a promise that you're going to make to me today, that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life. You drive. I can have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. So if you drive 3 times, I will have 3 contempt hearings. You are also not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. And let me be frank with you. If they charge you with the open container, that is a minimum of 5 days in jail. And I'm going to tell you, if you do anything more than 4 hours in custody, you will be stuck like Chuck in custody with an immigration detainer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive? I'm not done yet. After that, you will get to Ramona where you will sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Felicia for your bond conditions. This is the only warning that you will get from us, Mr. Tayoun. So, take it. If not, you will spend a lot of time with us. When you come back.
This is where a lot of people misunderstand court. This isn't just about a DUI anymore. The moment immigration status comes into play, the case splits into 2 tracks: criminal court and immigration consequences. And judges know that even a short jail stay can trigger an ICE hold. So the question becomes, are we talking about punishment for a crime or the start of a life-altering domino effect? What do you think should matter more here? The offense itself or the risks tied to who's standing in front of the bench? Subscribe now and comment below. Was the judge's decision fair?